Garden TV. This is my beans that I run up on the stick. Look at these beans. I think it's 3 beans, but they're running everywhere around here. You know what I'm saying? And they didn't even start bearing as yet. So I don't know when they're gonna start to bear, but right at this moment, they're still running. Every time I come, I got to unwrap them from my pigeon peas. You see what's going on here? So I have to take this and try to divert it over that side. But every time I come, that's the result. Yes, guys, so this is my garden, my organic garden. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Welcome to Planter Garden TV. How everyone doing this evening? Just giving you a little stroll through the garden. Little bushy, but don't worry about the bushiness. Just worry about what I'm receiving. That's some okra right there. Every 2 days I come, I have a bunch of okra to pick. You know what I'm saying? All these are sweet pepper. Look at this. These sweet pepper bearing a lot. Yeah. Look at those oh, how lovely, right? Look at them. It's amazing, right? I already pick a nice sweet pepper too. Look what's going on here. Look right here. Right at this limb alone, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You see, look what's going on here. You see how these things bearing? And then it have a nice big one here. Watch. But you know what? I'm not getting rain. I'm not getting rain and I'm not complaining. Guess why I'm not complaining? Because if you check my videos, you're gonna hear me talking about the rain, and every time the rain comes, it lick off the blossom. And now the rain is not coming, the blossom them staying on. You know, look what's going on here. Watch here. You know, everywhere is sweet pepper. Look what's going on. You see, guys? So this is what's going on in my garden. It's beautiful here. Everything just looking lovely. Look at this limb. You see? I had also put these blocks right here. You know why? Because watch. This limb alone have 1, 2, 3, 4. I ain't got nothing to tie it right now. So I have to put these blocks right here. But you see what's going on? 4 on this one limb. And you have small one coming also. Yes, guys. You see what I have to do? Until I get the stick. You know what? I'm going to pick one because I don't know. This thing is going and break. So let me pick this one just to save the limb. Oh my goodness. Hold on a minute for me, guys. But you see what's going on here? Nice sweet pepper, guys. Bell pepper. It's amazing. Every time I come here, there's something to pick, you know? Something is ready to pick. Yeah. So this one, I already picked one. Okay. All right. So I moved the blocks because I didn't want the blocks damage it. Look at these things. Look how much pepper. Look, another one here. I think this one ready too. So I'm gonna pick you Yeah, not a beautiful one. Because the reason why I'm picking them is sometimes you leave them and then when you come back the whole limb is split down because the pepper too heavy. So usually I will allow it to ripe, but I can't do that because I'm gonna come meet one limb split with like 10 pepper on top of it. So that's why I'm doing it this way. Yes. These is some pigeon peas. You see how tall they is? These things is hitting 7 feet right at this moment. 7 feet. This is a small one right here. Welcome to Planter Garden today. Planter Garden TV. Today is harvest time. You know, this okra here is so old, but I'm still gonna try it, you know. Harvest time today, guys. We leave the old one for seeds. And I already demonstrate when they can't break, pop straight off, it's too young. It's too old. It have to able to pop. It have to able to pop like this one. You see that how it pop off? That means it's not too old. So you still could get some juice from that one. But once it ain't pop,